Hello! In this video, we will show you what to do if the power button has turned orange. After making 300 coffees, the indicator light turns orange, letting you know it's time to descale. We recommend you perform the descaling process. Watch our video, How to Descale Your Lumio. If you think that your machine does not need descaling, wait until the machine automatically switches off after 1 minute. Then, move the lever to the hot position and hold it there for 10 seconds until the indicator light blinks orange and green. Wait until the machine switches off. Next time you turn on your Lumio, the indicator light will be green again. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Lumio.